This is a special type of generator. It's called Van de Graaff generator to produce high energy, and when we supply the input low DC voltage, it's convert to it goes on lower to upper, and this point produced and increase high level energy. And lastly, this magnetic speaker and coil energized and very high energy produced, and this is output point. So let's go, and dear viewer, please with me and follow me. This is the AC source. Yes, 220 single phase. This single phase motor. This is input. This drive puller, and this point DC positive source. This point supply the positive voltage and goes on upper point, lower to upper positive voltage. This point ruling bottom to top, and top to goes on bottom. This is circulating process. So viewer, now this is exceptional point, magnetic speaker and coil, and this is a special coil. This point included, and after sometimes very high energy produced this coil, and this point positive and negative output. This point high level energy. So this is free and tutorial video. If you want to learn more knowledge, then see my video. Thanks to all. Thank you so much.